Kidon gumba silak son Hajar ngot ki Nongthep buat ha Jylla ki bum ti kena ki bala ban sya mat kerteng no na thup Nongthep buat ha kan ki Jylla Meghalaya kani kalong hadin Bakatanat Election Commission of India kala pelong ya ka jingpet kerpang biang ya ki Nongthep buat ni ka Special Intensive Revision SIR hakari kan thup ha ki Jylla Meghalaya Chief Electoral Officer ka Jylla Meghalaya Dr. BDR Tiwari ula pentip và silak sop kena Hajar dospa san pendungut ki Nongthep buat Ibrakot siakan 0.9% labu hakakedan ASDD. Nakini nyupsaw Hajar praspa son puengut kerayap lai pinyo Hajar kenai spa kasangut kira syong sinong syawaipat apu prahajar praspa aprungut kim siladon haying san Hajar praspa kenai pundaingut kidon atli kidul tebut bat Hajar sispa nuprungut kira kentaj ban Pyndap juga form Enumeration form ka iskasir ka don buntam iban syamat adu sop kena Hajar nyospa nyubu prateli but saka west karo hills apno Hajar praspa nupsau teli ulong ba onle aya baro kini katkum ki kendon jaga registration electoral rules kat kena ispa do pau hadin ba ajing pensisyak bapura ba dak ba ailat ya ki badai hok ban pensyai ulong ru ba palat alak apsau Hajar ngut kinong tebut akan Jylla la itu ba kihap hapok kekerdan no mapping haka jing penbek thema ya ketup kerteng Nongthep buat ya kini breu ondang bisyar benia haka pol ba pri ya jing priang ya jing kerpat bat ke jing yakam lasram ya Enumeration form apply lak sau po aja nyos pak nup sau teli nak benta apu lailak sop kena aja terus pak sop sangut Nongthep buat keberakot sya kenai 0.20% nak Jylla ka election commission ka bu ya ka ap kunai tarik naitung aja pun reu kum ka sengi ka bakhando ban IT ya ki enumeration form bakitu ki bam IT ya ki form hapok kan ka pol on kentup syu ya ki keteng yang ki ha ka draft electoral rule kemas penmi paj ba aksan tarik naila aja pun reu
going in Meghalaya, and as on today, the 28th July 2026, now we entered in our final phase of house-to-house visit and this enumeration phase. Only one day remaining for the completion of house-to-house distribution and digitization of the enumeration forms. Before conclusion of this phase of the exercise on the 29th of June 2026. As on today, Meghalaya has achieved remarkable progress in the special intensive revision. Out of total electors, 23,49,645. Total 23,40,764 enumeration form has been distributed, registering an impressive 99.62% coverage across the state, and remaining were not being able to be traced. So simultaneously, 22,78,071 enumeration form has been digitized till today, accounting 96.95% of the total electorate, and remaining 3.05% will also be digitized before the timeline. We had a meeting with the representative of the recognized national and state political parties just before this press meet to review and to brief them about the progress of the special intensive revision and discuss the activities to be completed before publication of draft electoral roll on the 5th August 2026. During the meeting, we shared the latest status of enumeration form distribution and digitization, verification of ASDD cases, absentee, shifted, death and duplicate cases, and other field level activities. Political parties were requested to continue extending their full cooperation and to ensure every eligible elector to cover before the conclusion of the special intensive revision. And they have assured full cooperation, and so far we have not received any complaint from any political party in the state. So we are really appreciative to their participation and constructive suggestions received throughout this entire SIR process. and acknowledge the important role played by the booth level agent of the political parties. Now, more than 1600 booth level agents are there in the state during this SIR process, which was zero before we almost going for the SIR. As part of the various monitoring, we have conducted the regular review meeting, weekly video conferences with the district election officers, electoral registration officers, assistant electoral registration officer to monitor the progress of SIR and address the field level issues and ensure timely completion of all activities in accordance with the timeline prescribed by the Election Commission of India. As part of the verification process, total 2,24,435 electors, around 9.55% of the total electors have been identified under the no mapping categories. Means neither their name was found in the 2005 SIR electoral roll, nor their parents or grandparents. The progeny also could be established. So this category of people required further verification. So they during the claim and objection phase. So total of 1,49,656 electors constituting 6.37% of the total electorate have been identified under the absent, shifted, death and duplicate categories. This includes 74,851 dead electors, 37,914 shifted electors, 28,826 absent electors, 5,899 duplicate entries, and 2,166 electors who refused to submit the enumeration form. All these cases will be processed strictly in accordance with the provision of Registration of Electoral Rule 1960 after due verification following the prescribed procedure and providing adequate opportunity to the concerned electors or their family members wherever applicable. We extend our heartfelt appreciation to all the stakeholders, to Election Commission of India for their handhold support and guidance, all the district election officers for their exemplary leadership at the field level, the EROs and AEROs, along with the booth level